So here's where we're at. Car's back in the garage. The floor does look a lot better now, along with the walls. How long it'll stay nice and clean and tidy for, I don't know. I'll try and keep it clean. But the updated lighting certainly improved it. At least now I can see. I can see all around the car without having to use a torch. I may still add additional lighting to that wall there, possibly there as well. I'll see how I go with that. I'd rather spend the money on the car than spend it on lights, you know. I've also got a little portable strip light just up there. Oh, fairly right there. That I can use. I can move that about the car. That's not fixed to anything, so I can use that to see where I'm working at inside the car, under the car and what have you. So that may just be sufficient. Now the car's been outside for a few days and we did have some heavy rain, 2 or 3 of them, and that's all that I've got in the car, one little puddle, which I'm quite impressed with, you know. One little puddle with all that heavy rain, and that's also with the car being cut open, you know. So yeah, this is where we're at the moment. Unfortunately I can't do any more. I've got work to go to and I'm on a late shift, so I'll get nothing done in the car today. Probably nothing done in the car for a few days actually, because I'm on lates for 7 days, you know. So by the time I finish work at night, it's too late to do anything. Anyway, that's just this little update. The next video, video 6, we'll start tearing on about it.